Manually writing titles, captions, and hashtags for 50 short videos one by one is absolute madness. You sit there copy-pasting route by route, waiting for AI web interfaces to reply, and wasting hours of your life on basic admin work. That is archaic human behavior, and frankly, it makes my first stand on end. Today, we are putting an end to that manual suffering. I am going to show you how to command Google's completely free Gemini AI to build an automated metadata agent that processes your entire video calendar on Google Colab in seconds, with 0 paid subscriptions and 0 coding experience required. Look at this workflow. Normally, you would have to listen to every video, manually transcribe the audio, type out catchy YouTube titles, generate TikTok captions, and format Instagram hashtags. But with this vibe-coding master prompt, we simply drop raw video files into Google Drive, press Run, and let the AI build a structured Excel database for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and IG Reels instantly. You can find the free download link in the description box. It contains the PDF master prompt and the Google Colab workflow guide. Even if you have never written a single line of code in your life, I will teach you how to run this setup for free using Google Colab. Stop trading your time for repetitive tasks. Start your automation workflow now. You can find the tutorial in the description, and yes, it is totally free, of course. If you want to thank me, just click the subscribe button and like this video. Leave any comment if you run into any question. Let's start with crucial setting. Before we boss the AI around, we need our master key. Go to Google AI Studio, click Get API Key, and copy your secret key. That's it, no enterprise setup. No extra clicks. Let's look at our master prompt. Look at this workflow. Normally, you would have to listen to every video, manually transcribe the audio, type out catchy YouTube titles, generate TikTok captions, and format Instagram hashtags. But with this vibe-coding master prompt, we simply drop raw video files into Google Drive, press Run, and let the AI build a structured Excel database for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and IG Reels instantly. Now, let us dissect the master prompt that forces Gemini to build this entire system without spitting out broken code. We do not write code like amateur humans. We command AI through precise architectural boundaries. Part 1 is the objective and persona. You must explicitly command Gemini to act as a senior AI automation architect. We enforce Google Colab compatibility, standard free Gemini API key authentication via Colab secrets, and strict English logging. Setting this high-level persona prevents the AI from generating sloppy, beginner-level scripts that crash mid-execution. Part 2 defines the environment and directory hierarchy. We force Gemini to recognize an exact Google Drive folder tree to ensure clean, isolated channel management. Inside your batch folder, you drop your raw.mp4 video files alongside optional context files like cta_content.txt, tags.txt, or prompt_short.txt. The script automatically scans these files and merges your custom call to action copy and tone overrides into every generated metadata package. Part 3 handles ingestion and asset mapping, powered by a dual-model smart fallback engine. If a matching SRT subtitle file exists, the script bypasses audio processing entirely to save time. Otherwise, it runs Whisper to transcribe the speech. And here's the killer feature. If your short only has background music, Whisper won't crash the pipeline. The script automatically switches to Gemini multi-modal vision mode to visually inspect video frames and generate accurate metadata anyway. Part 4 is system resiliency. We explicitly demand defensive dictionary parsing to eliminate killer exceptions. Dynamic backoff retries to bypass API read limits, and an XML Unicode sanitizer to strip emoji byte bugs before exporting to Excel. This is how you build an unbreakable content factory. It sounds complicated, but the only things you need to do is copy and paste my prompt. In my master prompt, I ask AI to provide all necessary tutorial for all the extra access you need to know beside the script. So with this prompt, you will get everything you need. Once you paste the prompt into Gemini, it spits out the perfect Python code with detailed tutorial. Check it and make sure you have done all the necessary steps in Gemini API. Then, you paste the script into Google Colab and save in your folder. If you follow my prompt or use my script, then you need to create your folder structure as mine. You have to create a folder named Upload. It should be next to your script file. And create channel folders in the Upload folder. In the channel folder, create folders for your content topics. And inside the content folder, put all your videos in the folder. And now we can create your metadata Excel. You can simply ask AI to create script as your folder structure in your Google Drive. Or just copy my structure when you download the free master prompt. Go grab it instantly on GUMROAD for $0. Just hit the download link down below and bypass any waiting time. Now let's prepare your metadata Excel file. When your script and folder structure are ready, there are 2 necessary steps you need to do. Move. Step 1. Mount drive. You'll see these 2 lines drive.mount at the start of the code. Run it. Google will pop up a window asking if you allow access. You must click allow. This is like plugging your USB drive into this quad computer, so it can actually read the Excel and images you just uploaded. Step 2. Set the secret key. Never paste your API key directly into the code. That's dangerous. Instead, go to the key icon on the left, add a new secret called Gemini_API_key, and paste the free key you applied for from Google AI Studio. Remember to toggle the switch on the right to on. This lets the program safely grab the key without ever leaking it. Paste the API key and type GEMINI_API_KE1 Gemini API key. Set these 2 things up, hit run, and go grab a coffee. No, you don't even have enough time to get a coffee. Your Excel will be filled with all the metadata for your video. Look at that progress bar. That is the sound of me not working. The agent transcribes the audio, generates platform-specific titles and SEO tags, writes everything into a clean Excel package, and moves process assets into the archive folder. One click, complete automation. I know those technical details might be a bit dizzying for a first-timer. So, I have compiled the original prompt, the Excel templates, and the detailed Colab manual into a free PDF starter kit. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. The GUMROAD link is right down there. All you have to do is click the option that says free version. That gets you the full detailed tutorial and my secret master prompt. And yes, it is totally free, of course. If you want to thank me, you could buy me a coffee. Wait, I don't drink coffee. Buy me cat treats. The fishy ones. I would be very grateful. Well, to get the free master prompt on GUMROAD, just click the $0 option in the description. No waiting, instant access. And if you want my fully functional AI agent script without coding, the Pro version is now $99. We also have a limited 1+1 bundle deal for just $149. This bundle gets you both the short metadata AI agents and bulk uploader together. Grab this ultimate bundle before the special discount ends and join my Discord group. Get the script earlier and join my Discord group. I will teach you how to run the script personally. And also, I am a professional developer. If you want to build your own customized AI agent or learn vibe coding, you can find me on Fiverr or Upwork. If you run into any issues with the code, or if there is a specific automation tutorial you want to see me build next, drop a comment below. I read every single one, mostly to check if anyone is offering me salmon, but I read them. Next time, I am going to show you how to automatically generate metadata and thumbnail for your videos with one click using a Python script on Colab. And you definitely want to smash that subscribe button right now. Why? Because it's not just one step. You haven't known AI agent's power. I have a lot more passive income automation content coming your way. So, subscribe, ring the bell, and let the robots do the work for you. Now, go start the script. I have a nap to take. Bye.